how to play Dying Light 1 on Nightmare mode, the hardest mode. So, say you press continue, it just brings you straight back to the casual normal modes that you've been playing on from the very start. So you want to come down to play before you start the game. So you're going to go play and it says play campaign, you just click on yep, select this. Now, this is say that's your game right there, it's 100% complete. As you can see, it says difficulty normal. You gotta hold, wait sorry, don't hold, press X on the Xbox controller or square on the PlayStation. And you can play and switch, see? Play, switch to story mode, play and switch to hard, play and switch to nightmare. So when you select this option, here's what's going to happen. Yes, we do want to play a nightmare. It's just going to bring you straight into the game. Now, when you save the game and quit, you will still be in nightmare mode. So in order to change it back, you just got to follow them steps again. Go down to where it says play, go across, change the settings, back to normal, in case you don't want to play this anymore on nightmare. So, now we're on nightmare mode. This is a lot harder, of course. I think it's 10x experience towards this skill right here, the Legend. Now, do not play Nightmare, I would not recommend, unless you have one of these skills already maxed out. Not necessarily this one, because this is just for missions and things like that, but either Power or Agility. So mine is maxed out, Power's maxed out, so every kill now I get, the points go towards this, right here, the Legend. So, I'm just working on the firearms at the moment, but you can respec, press Y. You can just put them anywhere you want. So if I want to put them into bows, let's say I'm having some fun, I'm just shooting people with bows and, you know, they can put it in there. Increase the bow damage, 200%, not bad. Sorry, 160, 200 is next. But you can always respec to do whatever you want, to whatever suits your playstyle, or whatever you're doing at that time. But let's say you play Nightmare, and there you go, you can respec. And again, if you want to change it, we can go back again. Maybe you can do it from the options here. Game. I won't let you do it from in here, so just letting you know. You gotta start again. You gotta go to quit. And again, just follow the steps from the start if you want to go back out of Nightmare mode. And let's say you switch to Nightmare. As you can see there, current session, Nightmare, quest, incense herbs. So that'll tell you, current session, you're on Nightmare. So thank you so much for watching, I hope this helped. I'll see you in the next one.